Leave a comment, read the comments, share with your friends. Like, subscribe to Funster Toys. Now you're a Funster Toys friend. Now you're a Funster. Hello everyone, Funster Toys here. Are you a Funster yet? Subscribe to our YouTube, Twitter, Google+, and Facebook to become a Funster Toys friend. Today we're going to open our surprise egg. It's from the movie Frozen. I'm so excited, and there's Anna and Elsa, and we can collect all 7 figurines. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see. Oh, listen. Can you hear that? Oh, let's open this up. I can't wait anymore. This is my first one of these, so I don't know how to get in. There we go. Oh, it's right at the edge. Perfect. There it comes. Oh! Must be taped on somewhere else. Oh, it's this. Oh my goodness, they really have us taped out. There we go. Who do we have? Ta-da-da! Oh my goodness! Oh, she's frozen! Oh my! Oh, look at the snowflake on there. Can you see that? Beautiful. Oh, look at her. She's just beautiful. Look at all of the frosty crystals all over her dress and her cape. Oh no. I guess I had it right the first time. Oops. There. Poor Anna. Do you remember that part of the movie? The movie Frozen was just wonderful to watch, wasn't it? Who was your favorite character and why? Leave me a message in the comments. I'd love to know who your favorite was. And I answer your comments. Very pretty, Anna. Well, I hope you enjoyed this toy unboxing today on Funster Toys. And I hope you'll subscribe to our YouTube, Twitter, Google+, and Facebook to become a Funster Toys friend. I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now. Leave a comment, read the comments, share with your friends. Like, subscribe to Funster Toys. Now you're a Funster Toys friend. Now you're a Funster.